Hello my friend, today I will show you how to use this connector to transfer the signal from VGA port from this NVR. I will take this NVR as an example. Okay, from this NVR VGA port to HDMI port, and then use HDMI cable connect to this monitor. Now we can see this cable is connected to this NVR's HDMI port. Okay, I then get the picture. Okay, now we use this connector to connect to this NVR's VGA port. Okay, also use this small power cable to connect the USB port to get the power for this connector. And then we use the same HDMI cable to connect to the connector's HDMI port. We will see. Okay, it's my hands. So this is working. The picture is it's displayed very well. I use this connector, from the NVR's VGA port to transfer to HDMI port. Okay, thank you.